All right. Action mode 2.8K 30, so it can use all three cameras. Audio is on stereo instead of spatial in the audio settings. Wind noise reduction is off. So this is what my 17 Pro Max sounds like, right? I do have it in a case, sup case. Okay. And now let me go to the 1X, and instantly you can hear that. Now let me shake it gently. That microphone should not sound like that. I did update it, and I did restart it. I did, everything. Now let me cover the microphone and shake it. Or just cover the microphone. And now shake it. Hopefully it's a goddamn software bug. Because I wear my Turtle Beach Stealth Pros, and that shit's loud. Like the microphone. But watch this. If I put it down, it stops. And now I'm gonna shake the shit out of it. That clicking is the camera's stabilizer. So, but the noise from the microphone, I even tried it without the case. Same thing. This is the case that I'm using right now. So, yeah, microphone is right there. So, yeah, I don't know. Let me know if anyone else has this issue, and hopefully it is a software issue where they can update it and fix it. Because it should not be happening. Seriously, it shouldn't, but yeah. Also, I do have enhanced stabilization turned off too. And I have action mode, low light, turned off. So it doesn't decrease the stabilization of the action mode. So yeah. And my arm is like fully extended. It's because the action mode really zooms in the image, the video. So yeah. All right. Peace. Let me know if y'all have this same issue.